Great question, and one we want to ask our bankruptcy attorney, Bill Siegel, back with us right now. We also have those of you joining us on Twitter and those of you who found us on Facebook. Anyway, all this is being streamed live. And I want to ask you, first of all, Bill, the question, is there a way that the judge could say, okay, we're going to make this a done deal? I know that B. Nightingale said this is a circus. It's only getting nuttier. Mark Cuban was signing autographs earlier, had his picture taken with fans. Could the judge flat out just say, you know what, this is all about publicity for Cuban, and then just say, I don't want you to buy the Rangers?
Not at all. Even though this is perceived to look like a circus, it isn't. The judge's job and what he's going to want to ensure is, one, achieving the highest and best price for the Rangers, and making sure that this is an impartial process and that the people perceive this as an impartial process. So what's going on isn't necessarily unusual. It is unusually long, but the process is very similar to what happens in other bankruptcy cases.
Okay, but you've been saying really throughout after all of our newscasts that it's about the money because of all the creditors out there and they need to get their money. How much is actually owed right now by the Texas Rangers? Well,
specifically as to the lenders, the judges ruled the lenders are owed $75 million. However, the lenders are owed additional sums of money through other Hicks-related entities, some of whom are in bankruptcy and represented by the chief restructuring officer. Some of people have heard of this person as the CRO. So the CRO has every incentive to obtain the highest and best offer so that he can turn around and pay these lenders and perhaps other creditors.
Yeah, that's his mission in this whole deal.
Correct.
Okay, and another tweeter here, this is Go To Scott, asks, why do HSG creditors get more than they were owed and be allowed to disrupt the Rangers sale? Is either bid even going to be enough to make anybody happy here?
Well, that's difficult to say at this point. I mean, there are other Hicks-related entities that have assets to pay these lenders, but again, this is the particular asset that is being sold, and this is the focus that the court is looking at this point in time.
By the way, if it were to go really fast and Cuban has the most money and offers a deal to Nolan Ryan to stay, could this all happen a little more quickly than waging through months and months and months if both parties agreed tonight? Okay, we'll deal with this?
Well, if the process, if the bidding is done, what will then happen next is there will be a hearing to approve the bidder. And then you have the issue of Major League Baseball coming in and approving the bidder as well.
So regardless, nothing's going to be decided tonight?
No, but I think it's going to be done soon.
Okay, thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Our bankruptcy attorney still on tap for any of you who would like to ask some questions. Bill Siegel here with us tonight. You can go online because we've got coverage of the Rangers auction and television online at txa21tv.com.